Chicago. As a reminder, carry items please under the seat in front of you is your primary source location on this Airbus 319 aircraft. And we're just finalizing the boarding process. We're actually scheduled at a 2:15 departure, which is about 24 minutes from now. So we're a bit ahead of schedule. And so hopefully, once we get everybody on board, we get the paperwork and the captain's in agreement, we'll be able to be underway for our approximate 2-hour flight en route. And as a reminder, please, ladies and gentlemen, face coverings are required.
Today's flight, 1 hour 54 minutes en route to Chicago. So we might be pushing back just maybe a couple minutes ahead of schedule. A nice flight up to Chicago. Now just sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Based on social distancing, you may see one of my colleagues in a passenger seat, again, which is required for our travels these days. So, thank you. Well, seatbelts. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt well and tight across your lap. To fasten inside the flat metal underneath the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Now, please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with this aircraft. The Airbus 319 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. Now, it's unlikely, but in a water landing, slides detach from the aircraft and are used for flotation. Now, there are also 2 window exits over the wings. When open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. Now, if needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 6 exits are marked with overhead signs at this time, please. Locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, and remember that they may be behind you. And if you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a changing color or an exit sign will help you locate the exit. And for everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. Now, it's also unlikely, but if necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. Now, at this time, you're going to want to lower your face covering and then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing to the mask, even if the bag does not inflate. Very important to put your mask on before helping others. Now, should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light and a pouch under or between your seats. And when directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove it, and fold the vest. Slip it over your head and then wrap the belt around your waist, secure to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten, and just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. And this aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Now, smoking and using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with all lighted signs, pot cards, and crew member instructions. Now we'll be taking off soon, so please bring your seat back, tray table in the full upright locked position. Your headrest completely lowered. Food and beverage items must be collected and put away for departure at this time. Just a little over 2 hours en route. Our captain will keep his promised actual arrival time into Chicago. And we do thank your attention. I'd like to remind you, flight attendants are here for your safety. Welcome aboard. for departure. pandemic, we're going to be coming through with a modified snack and beverage service. It's the aircraft on what I understand to be each floor. and gentlemen, with that very nice honey, welcome to Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. Local time now, 4:13. We are early. We're considerably early this afternoon. And as we taxi into what we understand to be a B9, we're going to ask that you maintain your seatbelt securely fastened about you till the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, as I'm sure many of you already have experienced, we're going to maintain the social distancing and the safety for everyone to deplane this aircraft essentially 5 rows at a time. So we ask that you maintain your seats until we have called out your row number. We're going to start from the front to the back, and then we'll be deplaning here very expeditiously. Not many passengers on board today, and we'll have you on your way. And we do have an early arrival for you. So again, please remain comfortably seated till we call out your row number. And then maintain a safe distance between each passenger as you deplane the aircraft. Very important. Masks are required here in Chicago. So very important you maintain your mask covering as you deplane through the jet bridge and in the terminal building. For those who are making connections, TV departure screens throughout the terminal building, all cities listed alphabetically. And if you already received the seat assignment, you need not check in, just proceed directly to your assigned gate. Also, for those of you with the United.com applications, feel free to access those apps for up-to-the-minute gate connection information. Now, we do hope you enjoy the flight with us this afternoon. On behalf of myself and the entire flight crew, we do thank you for joining us in the friendly skies. All of us at United do hope we have many more opportunities to serve you. Thank you. Good day.
Hey folks, please remain in your seats, seatbelts fastened, just have to move some equipment out of the way.